To make the hair you love last and last. Put it to the test. Find your new Pantene.
And now it's time for some sexy weekend eye candy. Oh, yeah.
Serious eye candy.
Oh, what the hell? That's a dude! New graphic. Time for some sexy weekend eye candy. Oh, yeah.
There's a new hunk in town. This guy named Matt Barr.
Yes, 54-year-old Matt Barr, former New York Giants place kicker, Super Bowl 25 hero, and wow, he's really kept in shape. What? Oh, it's a different Matt Barr?
He's on Hellcats.
Oh,
he's
yes.
actually Pizzo's boyfriend.
That is the show.
Yeah, you know there are no actual cats on that show, right? In any case, the non-football-y Matt Barr apparently likes to work out in public without a shirt. Glistening in the, yeah, he's on Hellcats, right?
Forget about the possibility of a detour that could take you to some really amazing, unexpected destination.
Wow, look, Sam. Talent.
I'm putting him up on my wall.
Let me see. He used to be on One Tree Hill. It was crazy there. Remember that?
Keep it in your pants, cat lady.
Good advice. And as for you, Matt Barr, what is under that armor?
Is he eating my hair again?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It looks like Shia LaBeouf parked a little bit too close to
Babies.
someone's
There's
Porsche.
not for eating. Why?
He has a very large truck and
Why are you
and you see next to him there's a
Why?
Porsche. And it's inches from this Porsche. So
This is his truck.
his truck is. Here comes Shia LaBeouf.